die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my sexy mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm just going to do a bit of a haul video as I just received some stuff I ordered from ASOS. So that's always a fun day, and I haven't opened any of it up yet just because I wanted to make a video out of it. But before I get into that, my fragrance of the day, and that is Flora Mortis by All Saints. What I love about this one is that it smells very close to Viktor & Rolf Spice Bomb, except it performs much better. And in all honesty, I think it's just a better fragrance in general. Plus it's got like a less cringeworthy presentation, so that's got to count for something, right? Yeah. I would say it's like maybe a touch more floral than Spice Bomb. Like, take out the tobacco from Spice Bomb and replace it with some sort of floral note. Not rose, like geranium or heliotrope or something like that. Some sort of like really unique floral note, and then that's sort of what you get with this. Spicy, warm, a little floral, and it's perfectly unisex as well. So any gender or any sex can wear this. It's pretty awesome, I've got to say. $120 Australian though, off of sale price, so you know, maybe it won't be for you, maybe it will be. It's definitely worth checking out on a tester strip though. Time to open up the ASOS bag. Now I've been waiting for a week. I ordered it express, and generally I'm pretty sure all of like the ASOS facilities and whatnot are in the UK, so if you order it express, generally it takes a week to get to Australia. Yeah, if you're in Australia and you're ordering from like literally anywhere that isn't in Australia, get the express service, even though you're paying more, like $20 more generally. It's well worth it because nobody wants to wait 3 weeks to a month for stuff to get here. Alright, starting things off, we've got this. What's inside? Sunnies! That's what you want. Although these are probably not going to do the best job at stopping sunlight from hitting your eyeballs. I got these because there's like a different brand, it's an Australian brand called, I think it's Sin, and they have a sunglass style called the Duke, and I wanted to buy both of them, but I was already ordering some stuff from ASOS, so I was like, I'll just try and find something similar there, and I found like something that's almost identical to it. Yeah, I'll get in closer. Yeah, this is my thing, man. These look incredible. I imagine that the Sin brand stuff would be a little better quality. Maybe more than a little. But I think I paid like $25 for these. So, 25 Australian that is. So, at that price, it's definitely not a regret. The Duke sunglasses were like $50 each, and I was gonna buy 2, so I'd be in at like $100. So, I think I got a pretty good deal with that. Next up is this Baker Boy hat. I'm on like a big hat kick lately. Hopefully, I got a pretty big head, so hopefully it fits. I ordered the medium large. Generally, I'm like a large, extra large. I mean, like, I'm a big person, tall, so the big effing head, so. Put these on as well. Boom, that's an outfit. That looks ridiculous. I'm not gonna wear it like that. But wearing this, the long hair. Reminds me of like, you guys ever seen the movie Singles? It was like a pretty popular film from the early 90s. It was sort of like about the grunge movement. It's sort of like one of those grungy hats that they used to wear. Like, I know they used to wear berets and stuff. Alright, next up is T-shirt that I got for like $35. Try and guess what it is. Yeah. This is huge for a medium. This is massive. What the hell? Sick design though. Does it look sick? It's pretty big. I'm a big fan of this one. Let's check out the back. I'm loving the hat though, holy crap. Just show off the hat a little bit better. I'm gonna have to get another one of these. This is incredible. Alright, so far we've got this sort of like vintage style Guns N' Roses shirt that I got for 35 bucks. Looks sick. Can't wait to wear this one. I mean, I can't even believe there was a time in my life where I genuinely hated Guns N' Roses. And time for the last item. I think I paid like $40 for this one. Shame that they didn't put it in like a box though, because it's like all bent out of shape now. It's a green Fedora. Just because I've only got like brown and black ones, so I wanted something a little different. I'm hoping it fits me. What's the size? One size fits all. That's dangerous territory. Actually seems a little big. Is there a way to adjust it? Oh. That's cool. Does the green come across on the camera? You guys will have to let me know in the comments. That's awesome. So that was my haul. I spent like under $100, excluding shipping. It bumped over 100. I think it was like $110.99 with the express shipping. So yeah, that's what I got from ASOS. I don't regret any of it. Obviously some of the stuff is going to look better than others paired with everything else. Yellow sunglasses and a green hat. They're not going to look particularly good. This is something like that you wear like just on its own. Just when you don't want to wear a hat. I can wear this like on video during the day, because like I love wearing sunglasses, but wearing sunglasses on like in the middle of a video looks ridiculous. Even though I've like tried to do it occasionally, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's what I purchased from ASOS. I'm pretty happy with the haul here. I'm pretty damn stoked. The highlight for me at least is absolutely this hat. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm pretty stoked with it. I think it looks sick with the long hair as well. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on ASOS. What are your experiences with ASOS the brand? Let me know in the comments down below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.